Hey everyone, I wanted to go ahead and document my new car here. This is a e12 BMW. It's a 1979. Uh, got it from my dad. It was free, so the best price, I guess. Had to drive out to Oregon to get it. It was his dad's, so my grandpa's before, and it's in fairly decent condition for the year, the miles. It has who knows how many miles. Um, I'm really not sure what to do with this yet. I don't want to do too many mods, if any. The one thing I really hated about it was the front bumper, so um, I've gone ahead and I've already taken out. Well, first, I'll show you the interior. The interior is the best part about the car. Um, it's in pretty good condition. It's all been reupholstered. Pretty nice seats, nice leather seats. It's all been custom done. Obviously not perfect, but it is what it is. I went ahead and took out, as I was saying before, the AC, so to lighten the weight on the car, and it didn't even work anyway. So I've been taking that out. Probably gonna recarpet this whole area. Just kind of leave this hanging. I like the look of it. Leaves it a little less cluttered. I want this to just be straight up driver's car to drive it. Um, have it be enjoyable, and it's still got the wood shift knob, which is kind of cool. So yeah, I just wanted to carpet this, cover this all up, and make it look a little more flush. I took the vents out. That was just when I was taking out the dash and all the random crap that was under it. I'll show you guys all the hood. The windows all do work. They do roll down, so no problem there, which is surprising, but I'm sure it's been fixed once, twice, or thrice. And then it's got a straight six engine. There is a leak. I'm guessing it's the valve cover gasket there. Not positive, but that's what it seems to me to be like. Um, so yeah, it's pretty basic here. This is its second engine, and it's a cool car. It's got a lot of character. This is the color it used to be, that brown. It's been repainted. I kind of do like that gold brown, that prior gold brown, but whoever repainted it had more money than me, so let me know what you think, if you have any suggestions or anything, and I'd be interested in what y'all think should be done with it, or if I should just do nothing. Right now, I'm just contemplating. I'm gonna put the front bumper back on it, and basically just do maintenance on it all, and so these things won't be sticking out, but it'll have the front bumper on it. But I am thinking about taking the rear bumper off it. I just hate the boat look that it's giving it. This is really the only paint defect in the car right here. You can see that. Yep. So it's chipping away a little bit. But yeah, so pretty clean little car. Mechanically, it's in great working order. Let me know what you think.